There's one of the TTs. He's there. The other one, I don't know.
We should go for it. We need to kill them now before they regroup.
True, true.
Could you run ahead and fucking headbutt him for
I
me?
see something over there as well, by the termite mounds.
Yeah, there's like 50 termite mounds, my guy.
There's another TT there. I'm not even quite sure where it went. This one went out this way.
Yeah, he'll be hiding, not on him. He would be just over this hill because he can't jump.
Yeah, you can't.
Run ahead, see if he's lying down.
So, it will be at least tomorrow.
Nothing here.
There's no way he could have just disappeared like that.
Yeah.
Ella got it at 4 o'clock this morning.
We can't have the cliff at our backs really either, because we can't have that as an escape route.
Yep, I can see them. They're up on the anthills over there. They're back together.
I'm gonna go to Hunter's Thicket Bridge
Well, no, we didn't.
Why?
because it's a good spot. They can approach from one angle.
Even further for it.
Rain is definitely clearing soon.
You sure it has not looked any different?
I can see two TTs over on the ledge. Look over on the, across.
Right.
There's no Kana with them now, so...
That's good. That is good indeed.
We could possibly win that fight. One of them looks a lot
Wait,
smaller
how
than the
can
other.
two TTs and a Kano be together? That'd be an overpack.
One looks smaller.
Exactly what you mean.
Plus I can eat tiger nuts.
See something over by the anthill. I'm walking towards it.
My dude. That doesn't give me a clear edge, because all I see is...
It's kind of by the water-ish.
we should regroup again. We're too far apart.
Yeah. I see you over there.
I can just barely make out your image. The only reason I can really see you properly is because of your name tag.
Yeah, I'm just gonna see if he's still here. No. But I definitely saw something behind this here anthill. That one. TT behind me, I can see him on the cliff.
Waystone Way or Cliff Way?
That way.
Cliff Way.
I can see him.
The rain is clearing.
Yeah, he's kind of near the bushes, so it's hard to see him, but he's there.
If it's just him, let's pressure him.
He's on his own right now.
Yeah, that's I'm gonna
Oh, there's the other
Strike.
one. I see him.
together.
Yeah, not together right now, but they're about to be. Okay, one looks smaller than the other.
Noticeably so. There is a third one behind him, but that might be the Kano.
Yeah, that's the car now. Why are you looking? I see. I'm gonna group up with you.
I can boost my armor by quite a bit, so I'll be
And you can do
tanky
the
as
same
anything.
to me.
Yeah, they're chatting to each other. So they're not in voice chat, but they are together.
Which is good. I mean, obviously that's
They're
because
not-
I saw them. One, he wastelanded in the small one.
But they're not completely
I'm
voice chat.
almost
so-
adult.
Let's go closer to the water.
And EO's killing baby Rexes, my god. They're walking towards us now. She is. Let's walk on my side.
Yeah, because You're weaker.
Smaller, yeah.
You might want to think twice about that Titan.
We'll fuck around. We can fuck around.
Carno approaching. Yeah, they are going to go for us.
They just need some water first. Which is fair, honestly. I do
Increase
also
the
need
armor.
water. That's fair, but I think you should have done that if we're actually in the fight. You should have done that when we were actually in the fight itself.
I'm not trying to get them both all in full out. Get behind me real quick. Get behind me, I'm gonna do a stomp. Yeah.
Damn, guys. This is good.
He's probably gonna make us need more. Clean hit on that guy. Yeah, what's up? What's up, mate? I'll bite you, piece of shit.
Why the fuck didn't that hit? Some bullshit. Sorry, mate. Hit him in the face.
Biting him.
Get him.
Won't be a lot of damage, but it's something.
Also, my tail hits do bleed, so that's good.
Keep pressure on him.
You don't let them.
Yeah, that was a TT we heard. Oh, fucking charge him! Oh, big hit!
He's on the rock.
No!
Get him. I got that pumped in there. Look, they just can't have done pretty weak at length. It's a bit of a pain. Oh, good damage on him.
I've got my voice ability back anyway.
That's
Go
good.
into pocket. Let me do it.
Yes, please.
I am low on stam, so I'm gonna not be as.
Stamina. We spooked the Kano off though.
We have to keep making sure they move.
Look behind you.
That barely did anything. That did less. I swear that did less than 0. Man healed me, I swear.
It's okay.
I want to make sure they don't have the best of angles on you. Because
No, I can't lie.
they don't. Right, let me get in front of you. Stop moving. Let me get in front of you. Cancel the angle of them. Keep to my left, where you are now, because he's here. Harness going back. Keep watching him, I'll keep watching these two. Titan's going forward, he's going back. Headshot! That Titan's scarring!
I hit him. Sorry, mate.
One of the Titans is scarring.
That's
Look
good.
at my health, bro. I'll be fine.
killed the con out.
Look at this Titan, bro.
The Kano's
That
dead.
Titan's low. Titan's low. Focus him. We don't care about the other one. We're going after
Get
this
over
one.
here, boy. I have more stamina than you.
Yes, go after him, my little pit bull.
Get over here. Get over here.
Look at what we fucking did. Alright, don't overextend. They're together now.
Yeah, fucking get out of here. That was wild. You thought you could
Right.
win. That was great.
We will, if they try again, they will lose.
Yeah.
Look how much health I'm on, still.
Jesus Christ, Impella's broken. He's standing up. I'm gonna stand up just in case.
They're talking to each other still.
He's like, should we still go for it? We still kind of outrank them.
I will... kind of, are we sure?
I mean, the two TTs were Morgan and Impella. They do outrank us by
Yeah,
a mark,
we're 9 slots, they're 10. They were greater than us, and yeah, look what we did to them.
And they had a Kana, don't forget.
Yeah, so
Dude, that Kana was so confident. He ran in, I just went bang, bang, bang,
I
bang.
kept fighting the shit out of them.
Oh, it's great. Fruity Pebbles, Pebbles Fruit. Pebbles Fruit deals better. Go on then, go for me. How dare you? Got a tail barrage, your fucking name on it, mate.
I've got good weapons on either side of me. Oh, they want food, just attack them.
No, wouldn't that be a body, don't I?
No, we're just going after them, there's a difference.
I will take the trophy.
Yeah, that's what I bloody
Fine.
thought.
I'm not gonna bother with us. If they went in for a chunk, that's we're still fighting. Good sir, get chunks.
Someone's just used the waystone. Not as much of a worry because look what we bloody did.
Back here, you bitch.
Other Titans going for you, watch out. Yeah, because now they're going to both go for you. Overextended.
I'll live.
Yeah, well,
Got me
just
wrong.
cautious, you know.
Yeah. It's still.
I mean,
it's
I'm
still
pretty
a
much on
fuck
full
around.
health.
Yeah, it's still a fuck around find out. I'm still a problem for them.
Tell you, mini boss.
No, we are a boss. Come on, video game boss, whatever.
If we can make them split up a bit, which I don't think we could, you could charge in.
And then come back together.
Look at, see, they're going to be hungry, right? Because of the recent hunger changes. Look at, oh, he's charging Max. Charge him.
Whoa. Lock his friend
I'll keep.
off.
Yeah, I'll keep an eye on the other one. You keep after this one.
I'm done. You get your chunk to your friend, buddy. I am on you. I'll get you eventually. It may take a bit, but I'll be there. Even if I don't, your friend is still in between me and you.
The other one has gone down a hill.
He stopped. He's out of stamina.
Get him.
Get over it.
Power barrage him. Yes! Good job, Max.
Get over here, bitch. I ain't done with you.
You still got a third of your damn health. Alright, pull back a bit, I think.
I killed him.
Oh, hell yeah!
Oh my god, I gotta say the last like 15 minutes. That was incredible. I think his friend ain't coming back. Jeez.